and today I'm at New York University Medical Center to learn more about machines that can see inside the body. Imaging machines give doctors a 3D view of the body without actually going inside it. Getting scanned is totally painless. Researchers are using these machines to watch the human brain think. They've even used them to scan ancient mummies. These machines are amazing! I had no idea they could do so many things. Well, that's all for now, but be sure to tune in for next time, because who knows, maybe you'll be featured right here on Siemens Science Minute.